Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make a screen pointer bigger in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for screen pointers options. First, we need to open our phone settings. Then we need to go to the accessibility options menu. Next, version enhancements. And on this list we are looking for pointer size and color. And here we have the example of our current pointer, and we can make it bigger using this slider of sorts, and also we can change its color if we really want to. Let's leave it red, why not? And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.